Subscribe to our YouTube channel for in-depth interviews of India Inc. and press the bell icon so that you do not miss our updates.
Hello and welcome to Nirmal Bang, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Hiral Daria. We have with us Kunal Shah, Head of Commodities Research, joining in. Kunal, welcome to the show. Let's start with regards to where the dollar index and the dollar go. Now, the rupee did surge. We've seen levels of around 74.7 against the dollar in early trade today. How do you see the dollar index and the rupee dollar pair moving from here on, taking the global scenario and COVID into consideration?
Yeah, like I clearly mentioned, in last couple of days of webinar that the US dollar and US bond yields are going to go down. And precisely that is what has happened. I still expect dollar to remain under pressure. Remember, this kind of stimulus any country is printing, their currency cannot perpetually strengthen. It can strengthen for a matter of month or a matter of week or days, but it cannot strengthen. The currency is definitely, the dollar index is definitely on the going to weaken, and it is going to go down further. And rupee also, looking at the way the crisis in our country of corona is going on every day, 2 lakh cases, it seems that the rupee is not going to strengthen immediately. And with the higher oil prices, higher commodity prices, it is going to be a very difficult time going forward for rupee also. So rupee 10 to 15 paisa decline, I think one should buy.
Okay. And with this, then how do you see gold and silver moving? Because we have seen a marginal rise that has come in.
Gold and silver, from my first call until today, more than 2 weeks, you've seen rally of 2,000 rupees in gold and 4,500 rupees rally in silver. And I told that day I'm expecting gold to test 1840. I told in Monday's webinar also 1840. Today it is already 1770. So I'm very bullish. All the dips should be used to buy. And it looks that another $30-40 upside is what we are going to see in next 6-7 days. Same with the silver. It is going to go up and test 70,000 on MCX. So gold is going to test 48,500. Silver is going to test 70,000. So I'm very bullish call on both commodity. I don't see any reason why it is going to, remain under pressure. It is going to go up. Geopolitical tension, weaker dollar, massive monetary stimulus going on, and geopolitical tension spreading into many continents: China, US, Israel, Iran, Russia, US. It's intensifying. So gold should have a premium of $40-50 built in it. So don't worry. Whatever decline you see in gold prices is going to be an opportunity to go long, and I'm very bullish on both of them. Another thing which I'm recommending to go long is even silver. 70,000 looks on the cards. The way industrial commodity have rallied this week, aluminum we've seen 190 on MCX, copper 720. I mean, this kind of madness going on in industrial commodity. Gold also going up, so silver is going to catch up. 70,000 silver is on the cards. Don't worry, go long, and looks very attractive. I think in 1 or 2 days you are going to see 70,000 being tested on MCX.
Right. And Kunal, with regards to crude as well, now the weakness in the dollar, as well as the revival that we've seen with regards to where the US economic data, that's something which is giving strength to crude. Simultaneously, the demand from China has been increasing as well. Do you think this is something which will keep crude afloat and we will see higher levels coming in?
I think crude oil, the demand recovery is taking place right now. The oil demand is going to, shoot up by another 500,000, 1 million barrel. But I'm not, I'll be cautiously optimistic from these levels. Still, it looks up 4780, 4800, it can test. But I'm not very bullish on oil.
Okay. And Kunal, with regards to base metals as well, there is some bit of firmness that we are seeing that's creeping in. Do you think this is something which will continue?
Yeah, see, the levels are so high that you are going to see any day 5-10 rupees correction, or nickel 20-30 rupees correction is going to be very basic norms. But the fact is that these levels I'm not comfortable to go long, and Goldman today said that copper is in a super cycle. I agree with that, but not immediately. I mean, it has already rallied from 350 to 500, 500 to 700, 7 to 720. So these are not the levels, you should aggressively buy metals. You should trade. So whenever copper declines to 712, 710, you go long. Again, 717, 18, you book your profit. That is what you can at max can do.
Okay. And Kunal, intraday and positional view for crude, that's the question coming in.
No, I'm not confident to go long. No positional viewers from my side.
Right.
The best pick for my team is gold silver. That looks no-brainer.
Right. So gold, silver, go long. That's a no-brainer right now. 70,000 silver is not very far that we could be watching out for. Thank you, Kunal. Thank you, participants.